What's up, guys? So today I'm kind of starting a little quick series or something. I guess you could call it just a 2 or 3 part video of fixing the cosmetic parts of this 1996 Tacoma, because if you get up on it you can really see that it is a used and abused old work truck. I mean, you've got lots of scratches. The clear coat's starting to peel on the other side a little bit, stuff like that. So you know, used and abused. But I'm going to try and do little small things here and there to make it, you know, look that much better. And to start doing something pretty basic, just going to be painting the Mudflap letters there. Because as you can see, they are pretty faded. And you know, I think that'll just make the truck look just a little bit better. So, you know, pretty basic thing. I don't really know what to call this kind of video. It's not really a restoration, you know, or anything big like that. It's just kind of fixing little cosmetic things, but I hope you guys enjoy it. So we're not going to be doing this outside, of course. I mean, it's cloudy, wet, rainy. Kind of sucks because I just cleaned these up and I left my lights on. I just cleaned these up yesterday, so it kind of ruined my wash. But yeah, let's go ahead and take those off and then go inside and we can start painting them. Alright, we're going to rinse them off and then take them inside. Okay, so here we are inside with them. You can see getting up closer just how faded they are. Like the paint's gone or it's just completely faded on both of them. I'm going to be using this Duplicolor pen here. I just got this at AutoZone. It's like under a Ford paint code, like Oxford white, but it just looked like a nice bright white to fill this in. So let's go ahead and get started. So it says the first step with one of these things is to use this hard edge right here to scrape away any old paint or anything like that. You can see there it's stripping away the old paint. Okay, we got that side done, so I guess I will spare you guys having to watch the other side there. Okay, so here we are, we got them all stripped. So got a rag here with some dish soap and water. Let's go ahead and wipe them down, get them ready for painting. Okay, there we go. Let's rinse it off. Okay, there's our first letter. You can see that I'm an awful painter. Okay, here's the finished product. The texturing is pretty bad, it's not layered well or anything, but I'll just put a clear coat on it and wait for all this to dry, and then I'll just scrape it all up and we'll see the finished product. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Okay, so I had somebody else paint this. You can see the difference it makes when you have somebody who actually knows how to paint. But now we're going to go ahead and clear coat it and then call it good. Alrighty, here we are. The following day, let them dry overnight. So you can see, I mean, when you get up close on it, there's plenty of imperfections. I had to scrape off a lot of paint from where I overdid it there. As you can see, this other one from the better painter did a lot better, looks a lot better too. But you know, there's imperfections up close, but it's like even from right here, you can't tell. Looks great from any sort of distance. So let's go ahead and stick them on the truck.
Free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer.
Alrighty, there we go. That just looks 1,000 times better. Nice, bright, white lettering. Man, that looks good. So I don't know about what you guys think, but I really do think that that adds to the look of the truck. Not very noticeable, but at the same time it kind of is. So I'll try and make another one of these videos at some point, probably going over trying to fix a bunch of these scratches, especially the big deep ones like that. So we'll continue cosmetically restoring this truck. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Let me know if you enjoyed it. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.